out, right? But OCR always expected you to tell it that this is the exact format of the form, and this is exactly where you will find it. If instead of name, there was a date of birth which was printed there, it will just tell you that it's name and it would be a date format. So that's where OCR limitation came in, because every provider had a different prescription pad, or every hospital was sending out different forms, which could not be trained, right? Because I don't know where I would get a form from. How do I
Right.
even use this technology? It's just too much to get to unless you have specific 3 or 4 prescription pads that are sending you data. Maybe you can train on it. So OCR had its limitation because it needed a lot of logic and development and templatization, which challenged the adoption of converting these faxes into a digital format without somebody manually doing it. Hence, the
Mhm.
adoption did not happen as easily, at least in the referral management or the US healthcare area. Now, how did LLM change it, right? In the last 2 years, it's almost been 2 years since LLMs have become easily available. It's not that AI was not there. It's just that the cost, the usage has become much easier. And the good part about LLM is it has a context. It doesn't need the exact format. It can look at multiple documents, as long as we tell it that this is what you have to look for to say this is a referral request or this is a prescription. And LLMs have the capability of building a context. And then according to the context, now you can tell it, okay, if you think this is an order form that you have received, can you look for the first name, last name, date of birth, so on and so forth. And LLMs are way better in recognizing the context and then